All right, so we're going to perform what's called a hard reset on the Alarm.com 770 doorbell camera. You're going to want to push the button down for 75 seconds. Make sure you hold this button down for the complete 75 seconds.
Do you see the red and green light?
You'll see it start to flash red and green. That's when you know it's okay to release the button. It's going to start to flash blue. Continue to hold it down. All right, then after blue, you're going to see it start to flash white. White is access mode. Continue holding it until you see the red and green flash. All right, now it's flashing red and green. You can go ahead and release the button. All right.
You need to tell them about that.
Hmm?
You need to tell them about this.
All right, so as you can see, the doorbell's flashing red, so it's rebooting. Allow for the doorbell to reboot. All right, so now it's flashing white. So now you're good to go ahead and roll the doorbell camera back onto your account.